Mark Fisher, Branch Chair, Neath Pataba Unison Branch. The reason and rationale for our petition today is for the Welsh Government, when they're looking at the local government settlement, is a look at Neath Talbot. Neath Talbot is one of the most deprived, if not the most deprived areas in Neath Talbot. The rationale for our petition is to have a vibrant health service, you have to have vibrant public services. And particularly in Neath Talbot, we have the best, if not the best, integrated social care system in Wales. Unfortunately, the money is not being passported from health into local government, and our services are under pressure. When Neath Talbot are potentially looking to outsource the whole of the adult social care due to the budget deficit. What we're asking the Welsh Government to do when they debate a petition is to take this on board and make sure the local government are given the funding it rightly deserves. Thank you.